Radicchio and Endive Salad with blood orange dressing. If you think salads are boring, it's time to shake things up. This Radicchio and Endive salad with blood orange dressing is the perfect combination of bitter, sweet, tangy, and crunchy, an explosion of flavor in every bite. It's not just a salad, it's an experience. Radicchio and Endive are both members of the chicory family, known for their slightly bitter edge, which makes them the perfect contrast to the natural sweetness of blood oranges. The citrusy dressing ties everything together, balancing the flavors and adding a bright, refreshing touch. And let's not forget the crunch from toasted walnuts and a bit of creamy goat cheese to round it all out. What you'll need: serves for 1 small head of radicchio, chopped, 2 heads of Belgian endive, sliced, 2 blood oranges, segmented, 1/4 cup walnuts, toasted and roughly chopped, 1/4 cup crumbled goat cheese, 1 small shallot, finely minced. For the dressing: 1/4 cup freshly squeezed blood orange juice, 1 tablespoon white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. How to make it: in a small bowl, whisk together the blood orange juice, white wine vinegar, and honey. Slowly drizzle in the olive oil while whisking to emulsify. Season with salt and pepper. In a large bowl, combine radicchio, endive, and blood orange segments. Add the toasted walnuts and minced shallot. Drizzle with the dressing and toss gently to coat. Top with crumbled goat cheese and serve immediately. Pro tips: 1 extra crunch? Add thinly sliced fennel or pomegranate seeds for a pop of sweetness. If radicchio is too bitter for your taste, soak the chopped leaves in cold water for 10 minutes before using. This salad pairs beautifully with grilled chicken or fish for a light yet satisfying meal. What's your favorite way to enjoy radicchio? Share your thoughts in the comments below.